Hello guys, we are discussing stoichiometric relationships and I am Vaishali Kekant. So let's start our discussion with the first question of the day, which states, consider the reaction of sodium with oxygen. In the reaction we have 4Na plus O2 gives 2Na2O. How much sodium reacts with 3.2 gram of oxygen? What mass of Na2O is produced, right? So we have to answer two questions. So first of all, what is given? The mass of oxygen is given. So we know the molecular mass of oxygen, right? So we can find out the number of moles of oxygen. So the moles of oxygen will be the given mass upon the molecular mass of oxygen. Here oxygen is O2. So it will be 16 into 2, which is 32. So molecular mass is 32 and 3.2 upon 32 will be 0.100 mole. Right? So now we know the number of moles of oxygen and we know from the reaction that 1 mole of oxygen is going to react with 4 moles of sodium, right? So 1 mole of O2 reacts with 4 mole of sodium, and if I have 0.100 mole of oxygen, it is going to react with 4 times of 0.100 mole of sodium, and it is equal to 0.400 mole of sodium. Now we know how many moles of sodium are there. 0.4 moles of sodium are there. We can find out the mass of the sodium. How we can find out the mass? Moles are multiplied with the given molecular mass of the sodium. So we know the molecular mass of the sodium is 22.99. We will multiply it with 0.400. We get 9.2 gram, which is the given mass of the sodium, right? So 9.2 gram of sodium reacts with 3.2 gram of oxygen. So what is the initial reactant's mass? 9.2 plus 3.2, right? So now the output is produced, which is 2Na2O. So the output amount will be equal to the weight of reactants, that is the weight of product, right? So if the sum of 9.2 and 3.2 is taken, we will be getting the mass of Na2O, which is 12.4. Alternatively, we can find out it with the help of mole relation as well. We know 1 mole of oxygen is going to produce 2 mole of Na2O, right? So now how many moles of oxygen were there? We have 0.1 mole. So it is going to produce 0.2 mole of Na2O. Now molar mass of Na2O is 61.98 gram per mole, and if I multiply it with the number of moles, which is 0.2, we will be getting 12.4 gram. I hope you understood both of the method by which we can calculate the amount of Na2O. Coming to the next question, it states, consider the following equation: 2NH3 plus 3CuO giving me N2 plus 3H2O plus 3Cu. If 2.56 gram of NH3 is reacted with excess CuO, calculate the mass of Cu produced. So now CuO is in excess. We need to see how much amount of NH3 is present, right? So CuO will never get consumed up, NH3 will get consumed up, so we will be looking at NH3, right? So Cu is in excess, no need to worry about the number of moles of Cu. Now we will be finding out the number of moles of NH3. Given mass is 2.56, we will divide it with the molar mass, which is 17.04 for NH3, we will be getting 0.15 mole. Now here you can see 2 mole of NH3 is going to give me 3 mole of Cu, right? So if I have 2 mole of NH3, 3 Cu moles are produced. How many moles of NH3 are there? Actually it is 0.15, right? So 0.15 mole of NH3 is going to give me 3 by 2 into 0.15, right? So it is going to give me 0.225 mole of Cu, right? We know the molar mass of Cu as well, so we will again multiply the number of moles with the molar mass and we will be getting 14.3 gram as the mass of the copper. This is how we can solve this question. Now coming to this equation. This equation is used to find out the mass of the second product. So here M1 upon N1 into capital M1 is equal to M2 upon N2 into capital M2, where small m is the mass of substance, given mass, right? N is the coefficient of the substance and capital M is the molar mass of the given substance. We will be using this formula to find out the given mass. The following equation represents the combustion of butane. So here you can see 2C4H10 plus 13O2 is giving me 8CO2 plus 10H2O. If 10 gram of butane is used, calculate the mass of oxygen for exact reaction, right? So the butane parameters are given to me. Coefficient I can see from this equation. So here M1 is 10 gram, it is given. N1 is 2. So capital M1, the molecular mass we can find out. The molar mass is 58.14 gram per mole, and for The next oxygen also we can find out the molar mass, which is 32 gram per mole. N2 for oxygen, you can see over here it is 13. So we need to find out the M2. We will be putting all of the things over here. So 10 upon N1 is 2 and capital M1 is 58.14. 10 upon 2 into 58.14 is equal to M2, that we have to find out upon 13 into 32. So this is how we can find out M2 by solving this equation, and we will be getting 35.78 grams. I hope you understood all of the questions. Thank you so much.